ounce, and oh my world, Supertunias. Look at Supertunia Bubblegum. This must be an excess amount. So guess what we are planting? Look at that. Whoa. I guess we're planting bubblegums. There's a lot. Hi. That is a lot. Look at the container ones. All right, let me get a cart. Aw, how pretty. They're already in full bloom, guys. Here are the ones that you want to get. So you can get them to look from this to that. If you get them like that, they're gonna last you like a week or two. But if you get them like this, almost open like that, it's gonna get like this, and then like that, and then like bam, like that. Okay, so look at this dinosaur. Whoa, the dinosaur is still here. Oh, he got a ghost costume on. That's cute. All right, so let me get a cart. I'm gonna do a border. I got me a cart. Ta-da! And we have some violas and some, I'm looking at yellows because they caught my eye. Oh, they got dianthus and some, ooh, a calibracord. What's a petua? These look like petunias. That's pretty. Let me decide which one I want to get. Alright, so here's what I got so far. I got the petuas. I haven't planted this before, so I got that. It says 6+ hours of sun, and I got the stock. I saw these last year and I liked them, but I never got them, so I'm getting them this year. It says full sun, 6+ hours of sun as well. So we're getting both of those. Ooh. The hydrangeas are $19.99 and the pot is separate. Oh, the pot is $15.99. Oh, you can buy the hydrangeas by itself. Well, look at them. Pretty, pretty. Look at those petals. You can tell they used to be green and now they're pink. See, green? So pretty. Yes, thank you. Always so obsessed with these fountains. Is that a mom too? And we got some pansies. I think I want purple pansies. I want to do a container. That's a viola. The violas are a little bit smaller than the pansies. So I think I want purple. Where's the purple and black one? I'm gonna wait. They normally have a two-tone purple one. The color is yellow and like a dark red. I like the purple with a dark eye. Oh, maybe this is it right here. Let's see. No, that's not it. That's the plain purple. So I'm gonna wait for that. And my sun credibles last a long time last year, so I'm gonna get them again. This one, like, I guess this whole thing was filled with sun credibles. I haven't been here in a while, so probably a while is like a month. So I'm gonna get 2. What is a bee? Let me hurry and grab it before he gets mad at me. So I think 2 yellow. And then I'm thinking, where am I gonna put them though? I'll figure it out when I get home. There's always so many of these over here. I have some at home already. They blew my mind. They look more purple now than blue. In the summertime they look blue. I've got a little hint of, because they're closed, why they look purple. Oh, here go our clearance items. I don't see anything that's catching my eye right now. I see salvias. I don't need any more salvias. Got lantanas at home already. I got a butterfly bush at home. And if you see any of those white containers, like $30, and then the other one, these smaller ones are like $7, $6.99. I think I have these, and I haven't planted it yet. I must know where it is. That's why I'm not supposed to be here. I have a lot of stuff that needs to be planted. I haven't planted yet. And now we're off to the shrubs. I don't need any shrubs. I'm not supposed to be over here, so I'm gonna walk fast. Quickly. Let's hope there's no hydrangeas to catch my eye. I've planted up my hydrangeas. Ooh, I don't need any more hydrangeas, but look, that's the darker one. Look how dark the leaves are. It's a, what's it called? Totally, I'm trying to read the words to see what it says on here. But the leaves are super dark. Look at that. That's a hydrangea with super dark leaves. And it's by First Editions. That's what the container says. All right, I think I can go. If you guys are in Zone 9, it's time to get your bulbs. Lots of bulbs. We got hyacinths. We got tulips. We got daffodils. And you need to get them in the fridge now so you can plant them in 12 weeks. So I'm still considering these. I have alliums that I ordered from Color Blend, so I don't need any more bulbs. But I'm still grabbing. So I want to do a daffodil and the tulip combination because I didn't get a chance to get any yellow tulips. So I'm going to grab some yellows and the daffodils to make like a little yellow combination. If you remember my video from when I went to Tennessee, I'm getting inspiration from that. So let's grab some bulbs. And they're not on sale because they just came out. Those are $19.99. They're still a bit pricey. Let me show you the bags. It's a pretty big bag. It's $19.99 for that. And then you have this one. $19.99 as well, and then these are 99 cents each. So I don't need that many, so I'm gonna grab a few for 99 cents. For all you house plant lovers, look at that, all the house plants. Wow. I think I have enough stuff in my cart, y'all. The longer I stay in here, the more stuff I pick up. How pretty. So all of this, you can't even see it. Let me show you, hold on. It's like $50, look at that. And that's because I have all these discounts and points and stuff. They don't want to give these little boxes, how cute. So I put them here to line my car bed so it doesn't get soil and all the potting soil doesn't leak out in it. Put them in there. These little ones, I must know how much they were. Oh, $4. Those were $4 each. And of course, with the discounts and the points, it brings it down. That's why I like shopping here, because like I said, I'll go and have so much stuff and then end up being half the price because of all my rewards points. And they just give it to you just for being just for shopping there. They give you the point. I should have got another box, but oh well. That will be sufficient. We're just gonna have to vacuum the car. I'm pretty sure my husband, my boys wonder, where does she get all this dirt from in the car all the time? Look at that! Mini plant haul! Whee!